Welcome, Suburbansteaders. My name is Rich. If you've been following the channel, you know we make and fix many different things, including working on pool items. From equipment repair to waterfall slide refresh, to solving the mystery of why we had so many lizards in the pool, to cleaning and refreshing the pool filter. In this short video, we repair faulty valves inside the agitator, which is part of the pool cleaning system. It feeds 6 zones that operate a total of 21 in-floor pop-up heads, which creates a vortex-like formation in the pool to maximize the water filtration process. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button. It really helps out the channel and doesn't cost you anything. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the subscribe button so I can see you on the next episode. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.